Assalamualaikum Laila. Apa khabar? Atuk harap Laila sihat.
Okay, I think Laila is very special to all of our family members.
Time Laila baru lahir.
She's my first niece in the siblings.
First anak buah.
You are smart girl.
You are special when you just born. I've been talking about you to my school friends since you were kid.
Syah rasa Laila special sangat kan? Was actually masa pertama kali jumpa Laila, which was sehari sebelum Tante Syah bernikah dengan Uncle Rosie.
When you managed to sebut my name, Tante Eva, at the age of 2. So yeah, I know you're special already.
When she was, I think, 1 year old, she sing Lady Gaga song, Paparazzi, if you remember.
I still remember masa tu Tante Syah tengah dalam kelas dekat UiTM. Laila first time balik Malaysia masa tu. So Tante Syah asyik lah call Omar B, tanya Mama, diorang dah sampai airport ke? Dah jumpa Laila ke? Comel ke?
I met her at the airport. I'm very excited. Yelah, anak mix kan, so kita excited nak tengok. Before this kita tengok dekat gambar je.
So bila finally dapat jumpa, ya Allah, comel gila.
And she's quite big sebab ada kacukan Germany di situ. She's so adorable, so cute.
Tercomel di dunia waktu tu rasa.
The special moment I think was last year we do an event for Lucas and she sang a song with my father. Memang best. Bolehlah pergi tengok dekat Lucas YouTube.
One word that describe Laila.
You are energetic.
You are talented, Laila.
She's talented.
Talented.
Keras kepala.
Crazy.
Bagus. Sebab hidup ni memang keras. Jadi kita kena keras.
But lovely.
Perfect mix. Smart and cantik.
Britney Spears. Mungkin ramai tak setuju kot, tapi ni pandangan mata Tante Syah lah. Laila ada vibe Britney. Honestly banyak.
I think Laila suka tell about jokes.
Tapi yang paling melekat kat kepala Tante Syah is one sweet memory masa dia kecil-kecil dulu. Tak tahulah Laila ingat ke tak. Laila memang suka berkepit dengan Tante Syah. Ada satu time tu Laila langsung tak nak naik kereta dengan Mama dengan Papa. Dia asyik nak naik kereta dengan Tante Syah je. Orang ingat Tante Syah ada 2 anak, Laila dengan Arman. Kecil-kecil dulu dia sangat rapat dengan Arman. Jadi bila Arman panggil ibu, kadang-kadang Laila pun terbabas panggil ibu juga.
I am so proud and happy that she got the talents that I believe from our side, which she can sing so well. Not only she can sing very well, she also can play instruments. That's the thing that I'm proud and happy to see that.
I seeing you about how much you grow and becoming like from a singer to like a class president is what's make me smile also.
Every time tengok Laila punya gambar baby, sebab dia gemuk sangat and cute.
Of course, Pulau Redang. Almost every year.
Nak bawa korang satu family, kita pergi Pulau Redang.
Kita pergi banyak trip kan? Laila datang sini, kita orang pergi sana.
2018 Euro trip. Sebab kita pergi Jerman, banyak spend time dekat dengan diorang.
First time I met Laila in Germany, I got to spend time with her, stay at my sister's house for a month.
So every time Tante Eva tak payah pergi trip mana-mana pun. Every time I'm just there in Germany at your house, that's for me is already the best adventure.
It's not something like a best trip, but it's a trip that is like kind of like I love. And I always think until now, both of us go to this pulau at Malaysia, I don't know when, I forgot. We end up get a food poisoning. We end up going back early. I just go straight to the fridge and I take out 2 Vitagen and I ask, Laila, do you want Vitagen? Well, we just recover from food poisoning. It's not a good thing. And both of us end up in hospital.
Yes, masa COVID yang kita orang stuck kat rumah orang tu, dan kita orang buat macam-macam aktiviti. Kita orang nyanyi, tengok movie night. I think it's a blessing in disguise lah, sebab rasanya that is the best moment I get to spend a lot of time with the whole family and with you.
Last year, we went to Kampung Selama in Perak.
Pergi Selama. Sebab masa tu semua family memang join.
A beautiful trip.
It was such a rare moment. Semua orang ada and we were just so close, spending every moment together as a family. And masa tu dengan Laila pun sempat bergurau, borak, gelak lagi.
I cherish the moment at that time a lot.
That kind of bonding memang Tante Syah susah nak lupa.
Hey Daddy Laila.
During wedding Nas, Laila nyanyi lagu Nikki Every Summertime.
Something Stupid. Sebab tahun lepas kan Laila perform lagu tu dengan Atuk. Sebab kita tengok dua orang yang kita sayang perform lagu tu. Now every time Tante Syah dengar lagu tu, memang terus akan melekat. Ni lagu Laila dengan Atuk ni. Song always remind me of her.
Lagu yang Omar B betul-betul suka dengar Laila menyanyi, sebuah lagu Indonesia, tak silap lagu Rosa.
Billie Eilish songs, because I think Laila got the voice similar to Billie Eilish. So whenever I hear Billie Eilish song, that will reminds me to Laila.
Lagu yang selalu Tante Eva remind of Laila is lagu Somewhere Over the Rainbow. Sebab lagu tu is your lullaby song kalau nak tidurkan Laila masih baby lah. So yeah, that song.
The song that when your mom, your parents like to play every day.
Laila bila nak datang sini lagi, Atuk ada plan tau nak bawa korang satu family kita pergi Pulau Redang sekali lagi.
So yeah, that's all the question that I answer. So happy birthday.
Selamat hari jadi Laila.
Selamat hari jadi ke-18 Laila Jamila Lutke.
Happy birthday Laila.
Selamat hari jadi Laila ke-18.
Happy birthday Laila.
Happy birthday Laila.
Aku harap Laila berjaya dari semua apa yang Laila cita-citakan.
I hear a lot of things that you want to do, achieve, you want to explore, you want to try something new. That's the things about you.
Stay who you are. All the best for your future, for your study. I know you are smart, intelligent, pretty.
And never forget how many people adore you, especially family dekat Malaysia, okay?
Semoga murah rezeki, panjang umur dan sukses. I know that you are smart girl and I hope that you achieve something that makes your family betul-betul sayangkan you.
Always make your parents happy, make them proud, make us proud.
Okay Laila, even though kadang-kadang kita jumpa setahun sekali atau kadang tu sampai 2 tahun sekali, family kat Malaysia selalu ingat Laila dan adik-adik. Sedih ke? Okay, jangan sedih. Kalau Laila datang rumah Tante Syah, mesti nampak ada gambar kita berempat yang tergantung dekat sebelah Thermomix. Mungkin Rosie pun dia tak pernah turunkan gambar tu. Sebab tu salah satu gambar yang paling bermakna untuk kita orang. So, harap Laila pun tak lupa kita orang.
You always have a special place in my heart. Jangan lupa jaga solat, jaga diri.
Happy birthday Laila.